Johnny, I got something else for you special.
You got more whips?
I didn't want to tell you. I don't know what you just said, but I got something else special, okay? Many, many years ago, even younger than you, okay? I used to work for the government overseas a little bit. I want to show you what I got. I'm just starting to bring it. I just took it out under the blankets.
All
It's going
right.
to take me another month or two, but come on. Just follow me.
I'm
Follow me out.
excited.
Follow me. Now, you can't
That's
tell
good.
anybody. It's going to take about another month. By the time we're able to put it together, I'll be on the road, okay? But I'll show you. I can't tell you what it is really, but you could take pictures. Just follow me over. So 100 years ago,
Wow.
100 years ago, I used to do some work in the UK and all that. Shh. But go around to the passenger side. It's a very special car. It was a 64 and a 65, but Q made this one special. Late 65 is an early DB6. Believe it or not, I'm just putting it all back together now. There's some of the stuff by customs I had to take out, but you'll see in a minute. But all this stuff is going back in the car now. Could you tell what kind of car it is at this point or no? All right?
Is this a James Bond car?
Basically a James Bond car. But this was the last of it, the last of that breed. This is actually a DB6, not a DB5. It's one of the first 30 cars. So when I had to do some special work overseas, I'll show you. I had to go chase people around a little bit.
Oh, shit.
Yeah. And this is the way it goes. So what happens is I'd have this little transponder, and I'd put it in your shoe, and then I could follow. So right now I've been testing it out. I've been putting in my wife. Look.
Your wife.
I'm following my wife. She's going around in circles.
Does this actually work?
Of course. And then look, if you don't behave, I'm not touching it.
You sure? What does it do?
It's going to put you through the roof. That's what it's going to do. So that's what we do, my friend. Don't tell anybody.
Are you gonna eventually show this to us?
We're going to do a video of this pretty soon. Okay?
Wow.
This thing's been sitting for over 40 years. Neat piece, right?
Where'd you get it from?
Can't tell you. Had to ship it back from overseas. Original seatbelts and all that.
What year is it?
1965.
Look at these instruments, man.
Yeah, this is the real deal.
Wow.
So technically, it's a 1965, very early. It's one of the first 30 DB5s ever made, okay? But it's a DB6. It's not a DB5, okay? So you're going to the more modern bumpers and the ducktail for higher speeds, but I had to use this for other things with the government at the time. You're going to see there's going to be more stuff coming at the front. We're just fixing my revolving plate. And if we go out the back, we're going to just be setting up the new oil slicks. This car has never been touched. You could tell when you take the video, right? It's just old.
You said you did some work. It doesn't need any work.
Well, the mechanicals, yeah.
Oh.
Look at the pipes out the back.
Because you go sitting for too long.
You see how big the pipes are at the back?
It has an aftermarket exhaust?
It's twin pipes, but it also shoots oil out if you got some bad guys behind you.
For you?
Yeah. I got oil squirters, machine guns in the front, rotating plates, and the radar system.
So tell me about this car. Why? It goes in a movie or something? What's the deal?
This one never was. No, this was the real deal for the UK.
For the government?
Of course.
No way.
I can't tell you the rest of the story.
Okay.
65 Aston Martin. Wow. Isn't it beautiful? And these go for a lot of money today.
How many are there allowed in the market?
No. These were all handmade. These Aston Martins, they made in the entire series.
Tell me about the specs.
4.0. Double overhead cams. Triple SUs. I do all the work myself. I do everything. And this is a lot of work.
Watching this Aston Martin grill, and it reminds me of the the modern ones, and it's like still
it's the same grill.
Exactly.
That grill started with the DB4, even actually before that, the DB2-4, and the Superleggera for the lightweight body. So this body is really a bunch of tubes, very thin tubes, and then they rolled and formed all the panels around the tubes. So instead of a big steel frame, it's still an army tank by today's standards. But yeah, these doors are like a vault. These doors are like a vault. Look how big they are compared to the Jaguar. They're
Heavy
2.5
and
times.
heavy. Wood trim steering wheel, 3 spokes.
Yeah. I put an electric steering in the car.
The instruments, are they
All factory.
aluminum?
Well, no, it's glass with chrome.
Wow. And it's what's the deal with the transmission?
Well, now it was originally an automatic, so I kept it automatic. So I'll drive this into the city now.
Wow.
Dual tanks, because when you're in Europe,
It has both sides?
gas tank here,
Uh-huh.
the gas tank's in the quarter panel, and then there's a gas tank here. Why? Because in Europe, depending if you're in England or France, some pumps are on this side, some pumps are on that side, so you can get a quick fill on either side. With Racing Le Mans caps, see the caps? Look. Isn't that
Wow.
cool?
Wow. What a beauty.
That's right.
What a beauty.
And that's the difference. The Ford GT is just
Wow.
absolutely beautiful.
Twitch their
But
own.
once you go European and go Aston Martin, it's a big car, isn't it?
It's a big car, and I can't get over the fact, like you mentioned, that the door is so big.
Yeah.
And you're right. When you see it on TV or on screen, it looks smaller.
Yep.
But in person, it looks much bigger.
Yep.
Do you
Shh,
think
don't tell anybody.
you think this is similar to an American muscle car?
No, this is more of a grand touring car. You've got the speed, but it's just big. Like if me and you went across country, this would be like driving anything modern. It's just a big.
How is it on the corners?
Oh, the corner's okay. Listen to me. The car's 60 years old. This was a grand touring car, GT. You know, grand touring car. Look, you had all the luggage space.
Show me. Oh, that's big.
Yeah.
I was going to say that most of these cars, I don't know, for some reason, I have connected them in my head with like a silverish color, right?
Yep.
Silver gray kind of
Most of them silver gray,
Yeah.
silver birch.
Red,
Some were blue.
It's not very popular, but it looks so
Red was
good.
popular in the 66, 67, 68. And this is the last of the flat fender sides. After this, then they started putting flares and bigger tires. I kind of like this look. You know, I like the soft look.
It has disc brakes in the back, eh?
4-wheel disc brakes for Aston Martin. Yeah.
1965 disc brakes.
Yep. Yeah, where American cars didn't have disc brakes till the 80s.
They had drums.
Yeah. Terrible. The drums were terrible.
Yeah.
You know? Did you like this? Was this a good surprise?
Man, this is...
I thought you'd like it. Well, this will be another day you come back.
Absolutely.